how to unlock your GoDaddy domain. So for this, we will need to load up the GoDaddy website, then click on your name in the top right corner, and here we will go into My Products. Now from the products page, we want to find the domain which we want to unlock, and then click on Manage. Now this will load up a new page like so. Here we will click on Domain from the left or on the left, and then click on Domain Settings. Now what I'm going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of this page. I'll pause the video and come back because it has personal info. So like I said, I just scrolled all the way down, and here you will see domain lock, and it's currently on. If we try to toggle this off, it will show us this. By clicking continue, you agree to unlock your domains. Unlocking domains may allow unauthorized changes, including transfer to another registrar. If we click on continue, this will unlock our domain, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.